Hello everyone. So welcome to the series of doubts clearing session. So here I'm going to make a different playlist where you will get all the doubts that has been asked by the students of different platforms so that it will be helpful for the one who is asking and for rest of the students also who are asking the doubts and who are not asking the doubts, so that when your SAT is close or even if you're practicing, you can go through these questions and you will not get trapped when you will do these kind of questions. Let's focus on this question. So 5 over 6x, see, these two equations are given. Now the question was from the student's end that can we do it on desmos. The answer is no, sorry, we can't. Why so? Because of these variables a, c, b and d. If there is no variable, if your equation is present only in terms of x and y, then you can simply put it on desmos, but you can't. Okay, if in case there are four unknowns and any 4 points are given, right, four coordinates are given, then you can use regression and then you can use it and try to do it on desmos and find the value of a, b, c, d. But right now you can't. Here the concept behind this solving the question would be using the concept of solvability. Okay, let's understand by giving a simple example. Suppose I have two equations. First is a1x plus b1y plus c or equal to c. Second is a2x plus b2y equals c2. Now whenever you have infinite solutions, in that case these ratios a1 over a2 equals to b1 over b2 equals to c1 over c2, they all are equal. Let's apply the same concept here. a1 and a2 are nothing but the coefficient of x, b1 and b2 are the coefficient of y, and c1 and c2 are the constants. So my final equations in terms of ratio will look like 5 over 6 divided by 11 over 10 equals to a over c equals to b over 2d. Right? Now you know you want to find out what is b over d. So I'm not going to equate them, because if you will equate these two, you will get the relation between, you'll get the answer of a over c. But I want the answer of b over d, so I'll equate these two. Okay, so it is 5 over 6 divided by 11 over 10 equals to b over 2d. Now how to divide a fraction by a fraction? It's simple. 5 over 6 divided by 11 over 10, if you don't know, let me make it clear to you. First fraction will be written as it is. Change this division sign to multiplication. Once you change the sign, second fraction will get reciprocated, so you'll write 10 over 11. So instead of writing this, I'll simply write 5 over 6 times 10 over 11 equals b over 2d, right? This will give me 50 over 66. Now the simple calculation is there. B over 2d. Take this 2 to the other side. Right now it is in division. It will go in multiplication. So my equation will look like b over t 2 times 50 over 66. You know that 2 and 66, they will get cancelled out, and your final answer will be 50 over 33. I hope it helped you. Whoever has asked me this question, please drop your comment in the comment section whether you understood or not. Okay, thank you so much.